Hey kids! Today, we're going to explore something fun and exciting, the world of family relationships. Did you know that every family member has a special role and a unique bond with us? From loving mothers and caring fathers to playful brothers and sisters, there's so much to discover about these beautiful connections. Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of family and relationships? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can learn something new with every upload. Let's get started.
Walk through a verb. Action meets learning. Globally connected with verb.
Mother, mother. Father, father. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Cousin, cousin. Son, son. Daughter, daughter. Nephew, nephew. Niece, niece. Husband, husband. Wife, wife. Parent, parent. Child, child. Baby, baby. Sibling, sibling. Family, family. Friend, friend. Teacher, teacher. Classmate, classmate. Neighbor, neighbor.